All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create your own meditation videos. Now, the meditation videos on YouTube are really dope. They're really awesome. But what if you could create your own meditation videos specifically for you? Pay attention. We're about to get right into it. Here we go. All right, so now let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right. So before we get any deep into this, any further into this, check out webassetgroup.com. This is our own online community where I teach you how to master your mind and make money online. Content like this, you can only get inside of this platform. So here's what we want to do. We're going to go over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT and the place to be. And I'm going to choose, because I'm using ChatGPT Pro, I'm going to choose ChatGPT 4. Okay. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give, let's just say, create me a guided meditation for, let's see, helping me sleep deeply at night. And then I'll say, make the meditation. Make the meditation 5 minutes long. Include things about inner peace, happiness, abundance, financial freedom, success, love, traveling, what else? Perfect health, and all of those things. All right. And so the power of ChatGPT is that it's only as powerful as the instructions you give it or as the questions you ask it. If you don't give it really good instructions, or if you don't ask it really, if you don't ask it really specific things, then you're just allowing a machine to think for you at that point. So you want to make sure that you're giving it specific things, because it's going to take what you told it and it's going to generate, it's going to curate a unique output just for you. So you want to be really mindful about that. So anything that you want to include into this guided meditation, you want to tell ChatGPT to include it. So I'm going to hit enter. And ChatGPT 4 is not as fast as ChatGPT 3, tongue tied. As you can see here, it's just kind of clearly thinking about everything as it's speaking it out, as it's giving it to you right here. ChatGPT 3 is just like bam, right? It's just like this software. Sorry about hitting the microphone. This software is thinking things out. Okay. It's thinking things out. And so our software is going to generate right here. Look at this. It's even putting it out into time slots right here. I like that. And so another thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Docs, because we're going to be using this output in another software and we don't want to include the time slots. Okay. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy that. I'm going to drop it over here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to drop it over here. Copy this. And what I'm doing is just copying these things and taking out the time slots, because we don't want the time slots included in the recording of this meditation. Now, so for me, there's several ways I like using AI to generate meditation videos or meditation music and things of that nature. One of the ways I like doing it is I'll use these outputs with my own voice. Another way I like using it is I'll use these outputs with an AI voice generator. Now I'm going to read this to make sure it makes sense to me. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body relax and your mind become still. Now, picture yourself standing in a beautiful, serene garden filled with vibrant colors, the scent of blossoming flowers, and the gentle sound of rustling leaves. This garden represents your inner peace, a place where you can find solace and tranquility. As you walk through the garden, you come across a bright, shining light that radiates happiness. Embrace this light, allowing it to fill you with warmth and joy. Feel the happiness spread throughout your body, soothing your mind and soul. Now, visualize a magnificent waterfall of abundance flowing in front of you. The water represents the infinite supply of prosperity and financial freedom. As you immerse yourself in this waterfall, feel the wealth and financial success shower upon you, filling you with confidence and gratitude. In the distance, you notice a beautiful, radiant sun setting on the horizon. This sunset symbolizes love, warmth, and connection. Let the warm, loving energy envelop your heart, nurturing your relationships and self-love. Now, as you continue walking, you come across a path leading to various destinations. This path represents your desire for adventure and traveling. Imagine yourself exploring new places, meeting new people, and creating beautiful memories that enrich your life experiences. As you continue to walk, you feel the light breeze carrying. Okay, so we got it. It sounds good to me. Okay, so I'm not even going to finish reading the rest of it right here, just for the sake of this video. But ideally, you want to read this, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to another software that I love using to create realistic sounding AI voices. And it's called Play. I'm going to go to my dashboard here. I'm going to go right here where it says create new audio. And I can choose between ultra realistic voices or standard voices. And I'm going to go with the ultra realistic. I'm going to take my text and I'm just going to drop it in there just like that. And from there, actually, you know what? I'm going to go back. I just noticed there's a feature that I want to use that's not showing up in the ultra realistic. So I'm going to use the standard. I'm going to paste my content there just like that. And from there, I'm going to give it a title. I'm just going to call it Guided Meditation for Inner Peace and Happiness. Guided meditation for inner peace and happiness. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a voice. I'm going to just sample these voices.
Conscious of its spiritual and moral heritage, the Union is founded on the indivisible, universal.
Powered by machine learning, these voices are clear.
Mom, can I please go to the park with my friend?
Create realistic voiceover audio.
in my younger and more
Phil, I think we are going the wrong.
A major reason why companies fail is that
conscious of its spiritual and
I'm looking
The
for a
IBM
female
text-to-speech
voice here.
service converts written text into natural.
A major reason why companies fail is that they run into the problem of there being little or no market for the product that they have built.
Life is short,
Okay,
as everyone
Jennifer.
knows.
Okay, so we're gonna
When I
choose
was a
Jennifer
kid,
right here. I'm gonna hit confirm. Okay. So I just chose Jennifer. And with my meditation voice, I want to make sure that my meditation voice is like real soothing. I don't want it to be, I don't want the meditation voice to be like jacked up. I want it to be real soothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I just noticed something else with this one as well. Strange. Okay, let me go with the voice that I know works. And I think it is that one. Yeah, Sarah. Okay, so we'll go with Sarah. I'm going to choose the whispering tone because I can change the tone of her voice. For instance, I'll let you hear how it sounds regularly.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply.
So that is the regular tone. I'm going to choose the whispering tone and watch.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth.
So now I'm going to slow down the speed to about 84 because I want her to talk like this, like real slow, right? So now
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body relax and your mind become still.
okay, powerful. So what I did notice is I don't want her to repeat the next sentence immediately after. So I'm going to add a pause here, maybe like a 1-second pause, because meditation videos are all about, being very calm and creating space. So now let's hear that again.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply.
That was good. Okay. So that was good. So what I'm going to do is, because I kind of know where I want these pauses to be, I'm going to add an extra pause after every period that I can, not everyone, but as many as I think it'll take to create the sound that I'm looking for.
As you walk through the garden, you come across a bright, shining light that radiates happiness. Embrace this light.
Yeah, I love that 1-second pause. You'll be surprised with just how a 1-second pause can add character to your content, and it makes the AI voice sound more real than it normally would, because a lot of humans that think, they pause between their sentences. It's one of the reasons why I love being from the South. In the South, we get a lot of flack for talking slow. And I know there are a lot of slow people everywhere, but I love the way I talk because I pause in between my sentences. Now, when I get really excited, I talk like this, but for the most part, I love pausing, thinking about what I'm about to say next. Just creating that space. That's it, creating space. And so, boom. All right, so let me go back and look at my text here. Is this the entire? Okay, so that's the entire meditation. And as it currently sits, this meditation is only going to be about 3 minutes. I'm not going to make it longer for the sake of time of this video here, because I want to keep this video straight to the point. So now I'm going to listen to the full meditation. And let's see what it sounds like. Hold on. There we go.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body relax and your mind become still.
Sounds good.
Now, picture yourself standing in a beautiful, serene garden filled with vibrant colors, the scent of blossoming flowers, and the gentle sound of rustling leaves.
Ooh, that sounds good.
This garden represents your inner peace, a place.
All right, I'm good. So now what I'm going to do is convert to speech, and the software is going to take that and turn it into an MP3. And just like that, it's already done. My next step, I'm going to just hit download just like this. I'm going to create a folder inside of my computer. I'm just going to call it AI meditation. And I'm going to hit create. And that folder is going to pop up in just a second here. And now I'm just going to save that MP3 file to my computer. Now there's another thing I want to do. Okay. And by the way, everything that I'm using here, my affiliate links should be at the bottom of this video, all the software that I'm using. So then I'm going to go to a place called Elements Envato. And I'm going to go up here to the search bar, type in meditation, hit enter. And then now I'm going to type, I'm just going to listen to some good meditation music here.
Audio Jungle.
Oh, okay, so that's good. Keep in mind, this meditation music is royalty-free music. You have to pay for Elements Envato or Envato Elements. It's like $33 a month. But the cool thing is you get to use any of the elements here for your commercial projects. So that means that you can use these songs for YouTube. You can use them for your courses, anything that you can think of.
Audio Jungle.
So what I want to do is find the right sound.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay, so let me type in something else. So let's see what comes up if I type in Zen meditation, specific type of meditation. There we go.
Audio Jungle.
Yes. All right, so now I already like that. I'm just gonna create a new little project name here and call it Zen meditation. And then hit add and download. And now those files are going to be saved to my computer up under the AI meditation folder that I created inside of my computer. Now we're moving on to the next phase. So we went through 3 phases so far. We went and found, we got the text from ChatGPT, the AI audio from Play, the music from Envato Elements. And now we're about to merge these things together. I'm going to pull up my audio recorder here. For me, I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to use GarageBand. If you don't have GarageBand, just find a piece of software that will allow you to record audio and edit that audio right from that software. If you are on a PC and you don't know what to use, there's a free software called Audacity. You can download that, and there is a YouTube video out there that will show you how to use Audacity. But all you're doing is you're looking for software that's going to allow you to record yourself or record, edit audio files, basically. That's all you're looking for. And so I love GarageBand because it comes built into the iPhone automatically. So I absolutely love that. Okay. So the next thing you want to do, I have a file already generated right here. So I'm going to choose new. How many minutes in are we right now? I don't even know. My computer's going a little slow, but hopefully it makes up its mind and starts going faster. My computer isn't going slow, but for some reason, GarageBand is going slow right now. Come on, GarageBand, what are you doing? Like, it's just like thinking. Why is it thinking like that? It doesn't want me to show you the rest of the clips, all right? Come on, hold on 1 second. And, so let's do this. I'm gonna do a force quit here. And I'm gonna try to force GarageBand to shut down. There we go. Then I'm gonna open it back up here. Sorry about the little delay right here. It's taking a little bit of time. The delay is taking a little bit of time. The delay is taking a little bit of time. Yeah, this is what I do when I'm waiting on something. I just kind of start singing to myself, bobbing my head, you know what I mean? While I'm waiting on this software to get its mind right. Share web asset group in the meantime while we're waiting on that. Share web asset group with people that you think would love to come here and learn. It's more than the social media platform. This is for people that really want to learn things. If you really want to learn how to do X, Y, and Z, this is the platform and the place to be, okay? Always remember that. So let's see if we can start this thing over again. Come on. There we go. We got the spinning wheel again. The spinning wheel. What's the deal with the spinning wheel? Ah, man, this is going to be wacky if I can't show you the entire process. I don't like that. Maybe there's another way for me to go about it. Okay, so let me go another route. So I want you to see this. I don't want to edit this. I want you to see some of the things that are going to come up for you, because some of you guys, you come across a piece of software that you don't understand, or your computer isn't working right. You get frustrated and quit. What kind of mindset is that? As an entrepreneur, you have to continue to think about solutions. If this one thing isn't working, find another thing that is working. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to find something else that is working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Canva, believe it or not, and the link is in the bio for Canva Pro. But I'm just going to type in video. We're going to keep it moving. We're not letting one thing stop us. So, I can't stand with some of you people, I gave up. I didn't understand how to work the thing. I'm just like, oh my God, just keep going. You got to figure stuff out. It's called a learning curve for a reason. Now I'm done with my tangent. I'm going to go over here where my software is here, or where my jump drive is here. And I'm going to find AI meditation. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my audio over here. And this is phenomenal anyway, because I'm going to use Canva to create my my meditation video. So that's fine with me. So let's see if Canva allows us to upload our audio files. Hopefully they're not too big for Canva, because Canva does have restrictions on how big the file can be that you upload to it. Unfortunately, Canva, unfortunately. So then I'm going to click here and unzip our file here. Unzip the file, unzip the file, unzip. All right. And then while I'm doing that, so notice we got two files. We got one file containing the AI voice, another file containing the meditation music. And we're going to see if we can use both of those. For some reason, there it is. All right. So the meditation, the guided AI voice is going over there. So that's good. That's working. Thank goodness. Thank goodness that's working, since other things didn't want to work for me. And then let's see if we can unzip this meditation Zen audio track here. Again, you're going to have things come up. Software is not perfect. Technology is not perfect, but you have to keep working. You have to keep finding new ways of doing things. You got to expand your membrane, all right? You got to find a workaround. If you can't work it out, work around it. I keep it moving. And the reason why you want to spend time doing this stuff is because, first of all, everything you publish to the internet can be an asset to you or your wallet. It could be an asset. These are digital assets that we're creating. Okay. So you want to get in the habit of publishing. Get in the habit of publishing. Because if you can get in the habit of publishing, then all of a sudden you're going to find yourself receiving passive income if you continue to be a publisher. If you don't, if you just want everything to happen fast for you overnight, then you're not going to get it right. You're going to give up and you're going to have to continue to trade time for money. Cool thing about this video that you're going to be making and the video of me showing you how to make the video are all assets that are going to attract and repel the right and wrong people. Because marketing is just not about attracting the right people. It's also about repelling the wrong people. There are certain words that you can use in your content. There's certain words that you can use in your videos, in your messaging, on your flyers, on your ads that can attract the right people and repel the wrong people. You don't want to attract everybody. This message is for a specific group of people. Okay. So a lot of people get hung up with that as well. They get hung up with like, oh, well, what if, what if this message doesn't appeal to certain people? That message wasn't meant for those people. Okay. Are you okay with that? That message wasn't meant for those people. So anyway, here's what we're going to do. All right. So now we have our canvas on Canva for our video. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click right here where it says guided meditation. That's our audio. All right. So we got our audio for the actual voiceover. And then our meditation music is also downloading right now as well. So we want to take our audio and we want to turn the volume up on the audio a little bit for our voiceover. And as you notice, when we click on the audio, you'll see that little purple bar go down up here at the bottom with the wavelengths in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find a video. Remember, we're creating a video. So we're going to use camera to search for, I'm just going to search for meditation. All right. So for meditation here, and then you want to find any imagery that speaks to you. And that's all I'm looking for. I'm just looking for imagery that communicates the feelings that I want to convey in my meditation video. And I think I found it. Now, there's multiple ways that you can create a meditation video. Now, you always got to remember, most meditation videos are going to be watched with eyes closed. You always have to remember that. And I think a lot of people forget that because we spend a lot of time creating like these beautiful visuals for meditation videos. But if you're really meditating, you're going to listen to them with your eyes closed. Now, some people like just playing meditation music in their home and just having it on the screen. And so the nice visuals are very important at that point. So anyway, I chose my first image and watch this.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth.
Okay, so look at that. Now, honestly, I don't really like that image right there. I'm going to change it out. I'm going to right click and replace background just like that. And so then also I'm going to go back and I want to go and find my other audio that I just uploaded. I am going uploads and then we're going to do audio. Here's meditation. And then we're going to drop the music right up under this voiceover. Look at that. So now when you play it, it's going to sound like.
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body.
That sounds good. Now notice the video only goes to this. So we're going to have to add another block here and add more visuals in it. Okay. So we're going to have to do that. So you're going to go back and you're going to hit the plus section. It's going to create another space for you to add more video. And so this is where it's good for you to bring in more video. So what I'm going to do to make this video simple, remember, I'm going to be listening to this with my eyes closed. So all you really need is a video loop. You really don't need a bunch of different images changing up if you don't want to. All you need is a video loop. So I might do something like the universe. So I'll just type in universe. Here's a clip right here that I think will look good. Look at that. I love that. So now what I'm going to do is we got our person here meditating, right? And then I'm going to create a fade. I'm going to click in the middle, click transition, and then I'm going to do a dissolve. And that dissolve is going to allow the videos to fade into each other rather than just being one video coming to an abrupt stop and the other one starting. So I'm going to extend the fade. And as you see, when I extend the fade, these little purple bars expand. And what that looks like is this.
Slowly feel your body relax and
see how that other video fades into that one. So I want to make the fade a little bit longer. I'm going to go very long. So now I want a long fade.
As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body relax and your mind become still.
There you go. Just like that. So the next thing I'm going to do, you see how we just shifted from GarageBand to Canva? We kept it moving. You don't want to overthink any of this stuff, okay? Don't overthink it at all.
Blossoming flowers and a gentle sound of rustling leaves.
Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take this, you want to just copy this image. If this is the image or the visual you're comfortable with being on a loop, you can just do something really simple. All you got to do is click this, and it's going to show you that, hey, if I click the buttons on my keyboard of the command and the letter D, it will duplicate this specific clip. So I'm going to click on my actual video clip here, hit Command D, and then just continue to duplicate it until the audio is done. Okay, so right here. So notice my audio for my voice ends right here. The music continues, and that's okay too, because the music can continue without the voice, but you'll notice what I'm talking about here. Watch this.
Deep, restorative sleep.
And so now it just fades all into music. So that's fine with me. I'm going to continue to duplicate until the actual instrumental runs out. Okay, so the instrumental just ran out right here. I'll delete that video clip, and now this will be the end of it. So now this is a true 5-minute and 44-second meditation video, just like that. Now again,
take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body relax and your mind become still. Now, picture.
Oh, that's easy. That's easy. That's easy. We're done. If you're okay with these videos looping.
This garden represents your inner peace.
Now, you can change it, where it says garden. Hey, if you want to be more of a visual meditator, okay, then just find a clip of a garden, click replace background, and then there you go. But if you want to keep it moving in a way that's very systemized, this is all you need. You got your entire meditation video right here. So let's watch it together, shall we?
Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body relax and your mind become still. Now, Picture yourself standing in a beautiful, serene garden filled with vibrant colors, the scent of blossoming flowers, and a gentle sound of rustling leaves. This garden represents your inner peace, a place where you can find solace and tranquility. As you walk through the garden,
I don't know about you, but this sounds absolutely good. So from that point, all you want to do now is hit the share button. And with the share button, all you have to do is go right here where it says download. You're going to download as an MP4. I like to download with the highest quality possible. That's a 4K UHD file, and hit download. And it might take a little while for it to actually download, but there you go. You're off to the races at that point. And now you just created a freaking meditation video easily. Once your video has downloaded, you're going to upload it to the platform of your choice, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Vimeo, you name it. There you go. You're done. My name is Robbie Cornelius, encouraging you to master your mind and make money online. Let me know what you think about this video process. I look forward to talking to you next time. Master yourself.